We're at North County Indian Motorcycles in San Marcos, and today we're looking at a 2018 Indian Scout 60 in polished bronze. These bikes are a ton of fun. They're really light, really nimble, easy to maneuver. The all blacked out engine is a dead giveaway that is a 60. It is the smaller of the two Indian engines, which makes it a great entry level cruiser. We've got the engine guards in chrome that match the chrome exhaust. And we also have the Arrowhead rear brake pedal. Solo seat, adjustable rear suspension on these guys. The key on these bikes is on the side right here. And miles are only 180. She'll start right up. Nice and quiet. I like the higher bars on here. It makes for a more comfortable riding position as well. Again, we're at North County Indian Motorcycles, located in San Marcos, California, and we are open 6 days a week for test rides.